Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. A one-year-old child remains in hospital after she was attacked by a pack of dogs at her home in St. Anne. This evening, the child's father, Oneil Campbell, says he wants justice as his daughter is badly injured. Shamela Pullen reports.
The incident took place about 5 o'clock Tuesday afternoon in Lower Buxton, Brownstown, St. Anne. Oneil Campbell says his daughter was at home when she was attacked by the dogs.
The child was in the house,
right?
So the dogs could pick them outside, so she had come out. So as soon as she get on the steps, she come off the steps, as soon as she get on the bottom of the dog, them dry him off. 5 of them, at my ground, they dry him up. And my wife see her fling one stone after time and he run.
Mr. Campbell says he was at work when he got the news. He immediately rushed home to take the child to the hospital.
So as soon as me charter a taxi, go over there. When I go over there, I rush go up by the yard. I see it pitney in my wife's hand. Full up of blood, the whole line bite up.
The little girl remains in stable condition at hospital. Meanwhile, Mr. Campbell says he knows the owner of the dogs, but they do not get along well. He wants justice for his child.
Right now, full time is going on because what people are getting them up and big people are getting them up on a dog bite. Because people are them dog and then not secure them dog. You find your dog either you tie them up or you fence the yard. Because you can't get your dog in Lagos. You can't get your dog in Lagos about a place and them up people, you know. My people could have dead, you know. I could have go about see my people throat cut. You might just like a 1-year-old and 3-month baby. 5 dogs upon them. Eh? Tell me how that feels.
Commanding officer for the St. Anne Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Powell, confirmed the incident. This is the second dog biting incident in St. Anne this month. 2 weeks ago, a 60-year-old woman was mauled by dogs in Ocherias. Last November, Michael Allen was attacked by a pack of dogs also in the parish. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.